children. Now second class mathematics. Take out your textbook, children. Page number 114. Open it. Page number 114. Open it, children. Now 17th chapter. MONEY, money. 17th chapter, money. You know, children, money. You are using money in daily life. We are using only. Yes. So listen, all of you children. So we are using money in daily. So what is our chapter, children? Now we are using money only, children. In daily life, we are going to shop. You are going to shop only. So what you are taking and going? Some you are purchasing ice cream. And whatever you want. Which one you give? Money only? Yes. So in that money too. See, all of you children, look at the currency here. MONEY, money. What is our chapter? MONEY, money. See here. Page number 114. 114 page, open it, children. Page number 114. Open it. See here. Look. 88. TH the. CURRENCY, currency. NOTES, notes, currency notes. AND and COINS, coins. Look at the currency notes and coins. Identify. IDENTIFY, identify. Each, EACH, each. ONE, each one. Say, SAY, say. HOW, how. MUCH, much. Each one is. So look at the currency notes and coins. Identify each one. Say how much one each one is. So all of you are seeing this all currency. So currency notes and coins. You know, children, notes. You are using notes or coins. Are you seeing this? This like only coins. This one notes. Currency notes. So what coins are having? So here check it. So here 50 only having, children. Yes. So which coin is this? 50. See here having PAISE, paise. 50 paise coin. What is this? 50 paise coin. Yes? Are you seeing this? Are you using this? This one. You know, children, this one? 1 rupee coin. What is this? 1 rupee coin. This one? 2 rupees. This one? 2 rupees. 5 rupees coin. What is this, children? 5 rupee coin. This is the 5 rupee note. 10 rupee note. So here check it, children. Here number you see and say, okay. So here this is the 50 rupees. No. 50 paise. 50 paise. 50 paise coin. This is the 50 paise coin. So this one 1 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. So are you watching this all? Are you using these coins? Yes or no, children? Are you using? You are buying something only, ice cream, chocolates. Yes, children? So you are taking 5 rupees and 10 rupees only, that for chocolate and ice cream. So what is this? 5 rupee note. Are you seeing this note? 5 rupee note? So see here, 5 rupee note. This one, which number is there here? 10 rupee note. This is the 10 rupee note. This is the 5 rupee note, and this one 10 rupee note. This is the 20 rupees note. 20 rupees. This note is 20 rupees. This one 50 rupees. Which note is this? 50 rupees. 100 rupees note. This note is 100 rupees. See here. 100 only? Yes. Are you seeing this note, children? This is the 100 rupee note. Here 500 rupees. 500 rupee note. So this one is, this all coins. This is the notes. So coin spelling C-O-I-N-S, coins. C-O-I-N-S, coins. These are coins all. Yes? Say coin spelling. C-O-I-N-S, coins. C-O-I-N-S, coins. So remaining one, this all, what is this, children? Money only? Notes or coins? These are notes. What? Which notes? Currency notes. Which notes? Currency notes and money. So say currency spelling. C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. Say again. C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. So currency. N-O-T-E-S, notes. N-O-T-E-S, notes. Currency notes. These are all currency notes. This is this one. These all coins. These are coins. These are notes. We are using money, coins and notes. So money spelling M-O-N-E-Y, money. See, children, are you observing shop? Yes, here some dolls having. Yes. So you are going to this shop, like doll shop you are going. So what you are buying? What you are buying? Bat, ball. Yes, children. So here what having here? Elephant dolls and water bottles. See here, some bats, baskets. Yes, children. So here, which shop is this? Book shop. Yes, book shop. So what having in this book shop too? Books, notebooks and pencil, eraser, sharpener. Are you buying the sharpener, eraser? So what you are taking? Which you are taking? Which money? You are taking money only. So you are giving him to money, and he was given books or whatever you want, he was given. Yes, children? So here some chocolate shop, chocolates and bananas, some fruit item, some food items is there. So you are also buying that food items? Okay. So which like we are buying that? So we are using money. We are giving to money that person to and taking whatever thing we want, that things only we are taking. Yes, children? సో మన మనీ ఇచ్చి మనకి ఏదైతే అవసరం ఉందో అది తీసుకుంటాం కదా. సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్ టు మనీ అండ్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ వాంట్, విచ్ థింగ్ వీ వాంట్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్. See here now second bit. So all of you observe, children. I am saying again. So what coins, which notes? See here. What is this coin? Say all of you. Don't forget. 50 paise. This coin, 50 paise coin. Which coin is this? 50 paise. This coin, 1 rupee coin. See here 1 is there? Yes, 1 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. Say all of you, which coin is this? 50 paise. So listen, children. 1 rupee coin means how many 50 paise coin we want? 2 50 paise coin equals to 1 rupee. So here this is the 1 rupee coin. This is the 2 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee note. Which note is this, children? 5 rupee note. Sorry, remember, children, don't confuse. They see that number. So which note is this? 5 rupee note. This is the 5 rupee note. This one, 10 rupees note. This note is 10 rupee note. This is the 5 rupee note and this is the 10 rupee note. This one is 10 rupee note. Which note is this? 10 rupee note. Are you seeing this note? So this is the 20 rupee note. 20 rupees note. This note is 20 rupee note. 20 rupees. Which note is this? 20 rupees note. This one, 50 rupees note. Here having 50. Yes, 50 rupees note. 50 rupees note. Rupees spelling, children? RUPES. Rupees. See here, this is the, which note is this? 100 rupee note. Which note? 100 rupees note. This one, 500 rupees note. Ones, tens, hundreds. 500s. 500 rupee note. Are you remember it, children? Are you using money in daily life also? You remember it. Which note is this? Which coin is that? Okay. See here. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, and 100 note, and 500 note. So here 100 only. 0, 1s, 10s, 100s. 100. 100 rupees. So here ones, tens, hundreds, 500 rupees. Okay children, are you remember it? You identified that notes and coins? So you learn it children. Okay children, in next to class 2, I will explaining the change and coins. Okay.